Current in Series Circuits by KayScience.com. Here is a series circuit containing a cell, two ammeters, and a filament lamp connected by wires. We know this is a series circuit as if we trace the pen from the negative terminal of the cell around the circuit back to the positive terminal, we can see there is one complete loop. There are no branches. And this is what you need to do to check if a circuit is a series circuit or a parallel circuit. So we know a cell stores chemical energy. Electrons are repelled by the negative terminal. As this diagram represents a real circuit, electrons are repelled by the negative terminal, where they flow through the metal wire. We call this the flow of charge. The electrons flow around the circuit, where they then reach the bulb. The electrical current transfers energy to the filament. Energy is then transferred via light to the thermal energy stores of the surroundings. The filament lamp is able to work as electrical energy is transferred from the electrons as they flow through the filament lamp. These electrons continue to flow through the metal wire, where they flow back to the positive terminal of the cell, and the electrons return with less energy. As this diagram is meant to represent a real circuit, this is the electron flow, as the electrons flow from the negative terminal of the cell around one complete loop and back to the positive terminal of the cell. In a series circuit, the current does not change at any point. If this was a real circuit, these ammeters would measure the same current. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Here is a circuit diagram representing the real circuit to the left. As this is a circuit diagram, we're dealing with the conventional current, as the conventional current goes from positive to negative, around the circuit and back to the negative terminal. So as this is a series circuit, current flows out of the positive terminal, around the circuit and back to the negative terminal. There is only one complete loop. There are no branches, so the current is the same at every point in the series circuit. So the rule you need to learn about current in series circuits is the same current passes through each component. This is because the current is never used up, or we say the current is conserved. The current is not able to split at any junctions. There is only one complete loop for the current to follow. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.